Namaste. Uh, I'm Kulkarni Sheetal, working as an assistant professor at AISSMS IOIT Pune, Maharashtra. My today's session is based on electroencephalography. The objective of this session, a quick revision of concept of electroencephalography, or also it's called as a EEG system. This electroencephalography is used to measure the electrical activity of brain. So before going to the instrumentation part, we are going to discuss what is the anatomy of brain. These are the different parts of brain, but now we are going to focus the major three parts of brain. Those are cerebellum and brainstem. Cerebrum, the function of cerebrum is based on hearing, touch, muscle control. So basically, the function of cerebrum is to collect whichever the output from the body and give it to the cerebral cortex. Now, this cerebrum is divided into two parts, right side and left side. The left side consists of frontal and temporal. Right side consists of partial and occipital. Cerebrum, basically, it's also called as a microcomputer, and the function of cerebrum is to maintain the balance. Brainstem, it consists the brain center part, which is exactly below to the cerebral cortex, and brain spinal cord. It consists of medulla, pons, and brain, midbrain. One more important concept, central nervous system. So basically the central nervous system is nothing but a communication network between the coordination of brain and various body organ. It consists of brain, cerebrum, brainstem, spinal cord, neuron outside of brain. Now we will see, for the measurement of this electrical activity of brain, we require the electrodes. So there are more than 23 electrodes based on our brain. So for that, the principle is followed as 10-20 electrode placement. So why it is called 10-20 electrode placement? The distance between these two electrodes are the 10% and 20% respectively. So it is called as a 10-20 electrode placement method. Now quickly we will take a review or revise what are the different blocks in EEG system. This is the human brain where all the electrodes are get placed. Then this is the electrode box where all the electrodes are having a junction where all the electrodes are placed. This is the amplifier. To whichever the signal we are acquiring, so we need to amplify at a particular readable signal. Then very important part is the filter. Three types of filters are used in EEG system: high pass, low pass and notch filter. Basically the function of these filters are to remove the unwanted signal, unwanted noise, or we can say to remove the artifact. Then this is the printing unit. So whichever the signal we are acquiring, so those are nothing but the alpha, beta, different signals. So those are we are getting printed here. So these electrical signals are nothing but beta, alpha, theta, delta, and the significance of these signals are mentioned here. So these are the normal signals and these are the abnormal signals. So those called as a epilepsy. So this is all about the quick review of EEG system. Thank you.